That's just walking.
Just walking. Starting out with warming up. You see how you're gonna limp a little bit here. Work on how we want to march, but it's gonna be stiff to start. Do heel slides for stretching and loosening purposes. So we're just kind of rhythmically pulsing back and forth, and I'm using my other leg to kind of drive the motion, just going to your barriers back and forth, so you don't have to like worry about muscle activation, you don't have to worry about that end range so much. We're just trying to get this more pliable for the next exercises. If you don't like crossing your legs, you can put your foot on the towel to help slide it too. This is the hanging leg extension. So get your arms around your leg like this. If you can't hold that, you don't have the strength in your arms, have somebody put a pillow here for you to help you out. But I'll show it this way. Interlock your fingers, lean back, and squeeze, and let it dangle. Squeeze, let it dangle. Squeeze, let it dangle. Now we're going to do some heel slides with the purpose of strength and end range locking. So get on the edge of your seat and go out, scuff the heel into the ground, squeeze the thigh to get it as straight as you can. Okay, that's going to feel a little stiff there, but you can also kind of push in to get that straightness more for that end range pushing. Then you're going to scuff your heel back to try to make your hamstring work like a leg curl, and then you can try to pull it back for more range of motion. Now this is a lot. This is probably 2 weeks out or 1 week out even. Bring it back out, squeeze, scuff. So both directions, you're trying to push as hard as you can into the floor, and then do your end range bit, get out of it, scuff, and then pull, or pull, or pull, and then scuff, and squeeze, back and forth. So we're at the step, and I've pushed the walker into the step for some stability. We're trying to work on bending our knees to initiate walking with a less stiff of a leg. So this foot comes up. How high can I get the heel sliding against my shin, and then pushing forward on tapping onto the step. Come back the way you came to your shin, and foot down again. Then you'll alternate. Slide up your shin with the other foot, tap, return, and put down. So this is getting that reciprocal alternating motion, making you bend your knee in the correct pattern for walking, as well as alternating that with the weight bearing that your leg will need in that mid stance position. Both of those will be your struggle when you're trying to normalize your walking pattern again after your total knee surgery. Last exercise in this circuit is to try to replicate that heel slide, toe up pattern, but now while walking. So slide that heel as high up on your shin as possible and kind of march forward, always stepping into the walker.